The iPhone SE 4 design leak from Apple Track has surprised everyone. The design looks lovely. I would say it's better than the iPhone 16, though it's a matter of choice. Fourth generation of iPhone SE could be one of the best value smartphones of all time. Expected to cost under $500, this budget model features a completely revamped design, a larger display, an improved camera system, better battery life, and Apple's latest chip supporting new AI features. Apple is moving away from the home button design, replacing it with the iPhone 14's core design with a notch and adding significant upgrades. The SE 4 will have a 6.1-inch edge-to-edge OLED display, which is a major improvement over the current LCD screen. If this is the final design from Apple, I would say it will definitely surpass iPhone 16 sales numbers. By the way, did you like the design? Feel free to share in the comments below. Additionally, analysts at Morgan Stanley believe that instead of the iPhone 16 series, it will be the budget-friendly iPhone SE 4 that makes Apple Intelligence a standout feature. Their analysis suggests that the SE 4, with its more accessible price, could be the device to truly drive Apple's AI technology forward and gain widespread adoption. However, we will have to wait until 2025 to see how the market will respond. The iPhone SE 4 will be the first model in the SE series to feature Face ID, as Apple has decided to eliminate Touch ID. This change may disappoint many users who value the fingerprint recognition feature when purchasing iPhone SE models. Furthermore, while a 120Hz Pro motion display won't be part of the package, because the company is not generous enough to give users what they want, Apple is introducing an action button by replacing the mute switch and incorporating USB-C charging to match the rest of their lineup. The back camera will feature a 48-megapixel sensor with 2x telephoto zoom capabilities and night mode, bringing premium photography features to the SE 4. Powering the iPhone SE 4 could be Apple's A18 chip, alongside 8 gigs of RAM. This configuration promises seamless performance for multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven tasks. The SE 4 will include all the latest Apple Intelligence features, such as enhanced Siri, text editing tools, and new satellite safety features like emergency SOS and crash detection. The iPhone SE 4 is anticipated to offer notable enhancements in battery life, with estimates indicating up to 22 hours of video playback. This represents a significant upgrade compared to its predecessor, greatly improving user experience. Additionally, the SE 4 will be the first iPhone to feature Apple's custom 5G modem, allowing Apple to reduce its reliance on Qualcomm. With its combination of advanced features, improved design, and affordable price, the iPhone SE 4 is shaping up to be a compelling option for budget-conscious consumers. Expected to launch in the spring of next year, the iPhone SE 4 could become a game-changer in Apple's lineup. So what are our thoughts about the design of the iPhone SE 4? Are you excited about it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.